I got an email from Klap AI asking me to check their tool for creating short vertical videos from existing videos. So I gave it a try. Let's see what it can do together. You can generate one video for free, and after that, you need to pay. Start by signing up, and then you can upgrade to get more videos. The main difference between the pricing plans is the number of videos you can upload and the number of short videos you can generate from them. The lowest plan lets you upload 10 videos a month, up to 45 minutes each, and you can generate up to 100 short videos from them. You can get it for $23 if you pay yearly, or $29 if you pay monthly, so you can cancel after 1 month if you don't like it. The next plan lets you upload 30 videos, up to 2 hours long each, and generate 300 clips. It costs $63 a month if you pay yearly, or $79 if you pay monthly. If you plan to use it, you can upload one video that's as long as your plan allows, so you can combine a few videos into one to get more clips from it. I will talk about the affiliate and referral program in a different video. Let's create some content. You start on the main dashboard page. Here, you can upload a video or add a link from a YouTube video. Every time you upload a video, it counts toward your monthly upload limit, but you can create as many clips as you like from each one. I tested this with 2 kinds of videos. One was a tutorial from my channel. I wanted to see if it could fit horizontal screenshots into vertical clips to save time. I tried different ways to do it, but none worked. They all centered the full screen, which doesn't work well for shorts, because the screenshot appears too small. I also tried the auto length option the first time, but the clips were very long, so I had to edit them myself. The next time I used it, I asked it to make clips up to 1 minute long, and this is what I got. So if you want short clips, you need to set the length to under 1 minute. To be fair, they did write that they can't find the focus on the screen when the object takes up the full screen, and the AI can't figure out the right place to focus. So I tested it again with a random podcast I got from Iced Coffee Hour, which I will not upload anywhere. I just used it for testing. This time, it did focus on a person. It wasn't always the person who was talking, but most of the time, it was the right one. So for this, it can do a pretty good job if what you're looking for is making short videos from podcasts. After you put the video URL and click Generate, you get a few options. I tested them. You can decide what to focus on when creating the clips, but after a few tests, I think the best way to get the most out of it is by using the first option, which is Shorts. When you choose any of the options, you get some settings to pick from. For Shorts, you can start by choosing the style of the captions. You can change it later with one click in the editor. Below that, you can set the length of the video. I changed it from auto to 1 minute. I wish they also had an option for 30 seconds. Next, you can choose to add captions, and then set the language of the video. They have a very impressive long list of languages. Even Hebrew is there, which is very uncommon when only a few languages are supported. So you might find your language in the list, and that could be a reason to use this tool for your shorts. Next, you have the reframe option. This is used to create a vertical video from a horizontal one, so you can decide how you want to format the shorts you're going to create. Under it, you can choose the dimensions to reframe the video. Next is the hook. This is the title for the video. It finds a hook for the beginning of the video. Under it, you have the captions and emojis, which you can choose to show on the video or remove. You can also change this later, so why not leave it there? If you want to get some shorts from this, I suggest you choose the first option. All the others just upload the video as it is and add some captions, but you'll need to do the editing yourself. And after it's uploaded, you can't ask it to create shorts. You'll need to upload the video again. I also highly suggest using the option for less than a minute if you want to get a few videos. I'll go over the other options here. But if you want to get the most out of this tool, I think the first option is a must for all your uploads. The other tools are only useful if you're not planning to use the video as shorts. You can click dubbing to change the language of the speaker in the video, but you can only do that for videos that are less than 2 minutes. Again, you can also do this in the editing tool, and if you choose this option, you won't get shorts. The last option is trim, which does nothing. They could have just made the first option with more control over what to cut from the video, instead of making it seem like they have a lot of tools. So basically, the best thing to do on the first page is to choose shorts, and set it to less than a minute, unless you're okay with getting longer videos. After you set this, click Generate. It takes a few minutes depending on the length of the original video. If you're working with a short video of about 10 minutes, it's very fast, but for longer videos, it can take some time. Luckily, you don't need to wait for it. You can upload the video and do other things while it processes. After it finishes, you'll get an email letting you know it's done, which is nice. especially since it can take a very long time if your video is 2 hours long. When it finishes processing, you'll see the videos in your dashboard, and you can watch and edit each one. Click the clip you want to see. They already gave it a title, so you can find the different clips without opening each one, which is a nice touch. When you click the video, it opens in a pop-up. On the left side, you can watch the clip. On the right, you'll see a summary at the top, explaining why the AI chose this clip from your video. Under that, you can see the full script of the video. Between the sides, you'll see 2 arrows. These let you move between the different clips you got from the same video, so you don't need to open and close each one. You just click the arrows to move around. At the top, you have hearts. You can heart a video, and then you'll be able to see which ones you liked after you close the window. When you have very similar clips, this is a nice feature that helps you find the video you liked. On the bottom right side, you can see 3 buttons. The first one takes you to the editing tool, which I will explore in detail in a different video. Next to it, you have the option to download, and the last button lets you publish it directly from here to different social platforms. In the next video, I'll go over all the parts of the editing tool so you can see how to make the short look the way you want. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.